Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the lemon peel stitch. This stitch is very beautiful and elegant and would look amazing as a shirt or a baby blanket. So let's get to the tutorial. For today's video, we're going to be using weight 4 acrylic yarn, 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a tape measure, and scissors. You're going to tie your yarn to your hook, whether that's with a slip knot or a double knot. I prefer double knots as they are more secure to me. Now we are going to start off with a chain 20. Now that you have 20 chains, you'll take your hook and insert into the second chain from your hook. So not the first one, but the second one. You'll place a single crochet there. Now, in the next chain, you'll place a double crochet. In the next chain, you'll place a single crochet. In the next chain, place a double crochet. And you will continue doing this all the way down the rest of the chain. Once you have completed your round, you will chain 1, turn your work, and you will single crochet in the double crochet that you did from the previous row. In the next stitch, you will do a double crochet in the single crochet that you did in the previous row. So you will want to do the opposite of what the stitches from the previous row. So the next stitch will be a double crochet, so we will place a single crochet in it. The next will be a single, so we're going to place a double. And you will continue that all the way down. Now that you have completed that row, you should have ended with a double crochet. You will start your rows with a single and end them with a double. You'll want to do a total of 19 rows. I'll meet you guys back when I have 19. Once you have finished your row, you'll want to take your tape measure and make sure that your square is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. Once you have completed, you will chain 1. Take your scissors and cut your yarn. Then you'll take your hook and pull through, creating a knot. Now you will take your tapestry needle and put your yarn through it, and we're going to weave in our ends. Now you'll want to take your needle and insert near where you tied your knot, but not into the knot or it'll come on undone. When you weave your yarn in, you'll want to make sure that your hook is going between stitches so that you don't see the yarn on the front or the back side of your project. Now take your scissors and clip close to your project. You'll want to do it on the other end as well. And you have completed your square. I hope you guys enjoyed making this square. If you ended up completing your square, please tag me in any of these social medias. I would love to see how they turned out. This is our 5th stitch out of 80 stitches in 40 weeks. If you would like to follow along with this challenge, please subscribe or follow any of my social medias and I'll keep you guys up to date. Thank you for watching today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one.